it's Matt. Oh my gosh, okay. The other day when I was looking up some YouTube videos, even though I should make my own, but today I'm just starting you off with a guy being attacked by a vacuum cleaner, you know? People would get a million hits. If this gets me a million hits, I probably would be famous by now. Check out this one. Oh my gosh, I mean, that guy was like, why would the vacuum be alive? And that doesn't happen in real life. Well, to start you off, we're gonna do a little something which I like to call Jibjab. Okay, here's some I created. Jibjabs. I created some Jibjabs so people would love to see them. Check out mine. Alright, so, anyway. Hey, otherwise I would create some Wedgie Jibjabs. I bet I can find some right now. Alright? Anyway, I don't think Jibjab has those things. Anyway, I'm pretty sure I'll find some. So, anyway. How would you guys like it if I did a Wedgie in front of you right now? Just because. Okay. And I'll probably do my own attack by a vacuum cleaner. I'll attack myself by a vacuum cleaner. Here. Just to end the show, I'll start with a little wedgie. Oh. Oh. I gave myself a wedgie. Oh. You know it's wrong. Yeah, I know it's wrong. Alright, that's the end of the show, so check out my YouTube channel, subscribe, tell your friends to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Well, peace out, gangsters. Peace out. Alright. Sorry, it's just this thing doesn't want to work that much.